Hi everybody, it's me, Ivy. My hair's up and I look fresh out of the shower because I am. And also I'm going to be doing a face mask after this. The 111 Skin. A 24 karat gold mask. I'm so excited. But first, I wanted to tell you about a couple fantastic deals I got. Does this look familiar to anyone? Well, it's for cleaning your dry brushes without getting them wet. You just rub them on this thing, like that, and it gets them clean in between colors. I think that's awesome, whoever made that up. I don't know if you guys have heard of it before or how much they normally cost. But I found these on Amazon for like $8. You get the tin, which has one in it, and 5 extras. You get 5 more. I just typed in, I don't know what the brand is. It came in practically an empty practically thing. See? And just says Tech Unite or something. But just go to the Google, type in, same thing I did, type in makeup brush cleaner or dry makeup brush cleaner. I know these are going to be great. I will let you know. I'm really excited about that. It was only like $7. The other thing that I found that was only like $7, how many of you use beauty blenders? I do. I love them. I found 6 beauty blenders for about $7, 8 at the most. I think it was 7 something. From Emax Design. You get 2 of each of these different beauty blenders. And from what I read about them, and I read the reviews and everything, they were exactly like the regular beauty blenders. And guess what? They are. They're fantastic. I've used them. You have this one, this shape, you know, but people who like that. Forgive my unmanicure again. And this one, which that's a really neat shape too. A lot of people like this shape. I'm going to try them all. And then, in fact, this is the last one that I did use. Look at, they're just like, they're the exact same consistency, same everything it seems, as beauty blenders, and they behave the exact same way. So this is a dupe and a half. So, and look, so this, I mean, you know, just the regular. When you get water in them, you know how you have to fill them full of water first. They puff way up. You wring them out like this with your hand. Roll them up in a towel. Roll them up in a towel and squeeze them a little more to get the excess water off. And boom, you're in business. So the company that makes these, they're well worth the money. I wouldn't tell you about them if they weren't. Emax Design, they're also latex free and hypoallergenic. Emax Design. Their web address, well, here. Can you see that? Anyway, it's www.emax, design.com. Okay? Now I wanted to show you quickly my Allure, because, I mean, it's what, July 2nd, and I just got my Allure today. Alrighty then. Thanks, Allure. I got that hairspray, dry shampoo, and I don't think a whole lot of it, so that's why. This I'm anxious to use, the Avene thermal spring water, and it's supposed to be, you know, spring water for your face. I don't want to put anything on. I was going to try it, but I'm not going to try it since I'm going to be using this mask. because I'm making another video after. I also got this Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. So that's pretty awesome. After the mask, guess what else I got? I can't believe it. I'm so excited. CEO Glow. Jeez, almost didn't have that or a computer. CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil by Sunday Riley. After I do the mask, I'm going to put some of this serum on. I'm going to put some vitamin C around this vitamin C, I think, since it is vitamin C eye cream specifically. That's what I'm going to use around my eyes. And it is all day eye cream, so. And then, of course, my CEO vitamin C cream. Vitamin C Rich Hydration, Sunday Riley again, cream. So, I'm more excited. I'm tickled to death. Okay. All right, so what else I got in here? I don't even care about. Just kidding. I like everything, really. The floss. They call it my favorite new lip gloss. Isn't that the cutest thing? Not really, but we'll give it to him anyway. And here it is. Let's see. Let's try it. There's a little doe foot, regular little doe foot. It smells like powder, kind of like baby powder. And it's not, wait, let's make sure. Well, it's not sticky. It's very moist. Smells good, feels good. $16 for one of these, I do believe. I have the price tag somewhere, but this is $20. I know that. I think this is $16. I have the little book here somewhere. Yes, here it is. So yes, the lip gloss is $16. The context is, oh my God, $35. This is $35. And I mean, it looks like a full size. So awesome. I wonder about that. I don't know if it's a full size or not, the facial spray, the Avene. It doesn't say on here. It says it's $18.50 with the face spray. It doesn't say what a full size is, but this is 1.6 ounces. You can always look it up. You can buy it at Avene USA, AVENE-USA.com. And actually, you can get 20% off if you enter Allure 20, ALLURE 20 during checkout. You get 20% off. I love things like that. Next, the Moroccan oil treatment. Now the full size, I'm sure this isn't the full size. This is a little good size. The full size is $44. You can buy this at Sephora. It smells really good. Oh, nice and fresh. I just love the smell of argan oil. I've been buying the argan oil products for years now. So this is, I don't think it's the same company, or is it? I don't know. It's Moroccan argan oil. Really good stuff. And this eyebrow brush, the brow gel. I can't see what it says when it's looking backwards. Tanya by Tanya Crooks. Let's hope they're not crooks. The brow gel, it has its own little sharpener, which I think is pretty cool if it works really well. And it's not a real soft, it says it's gel, but you know what? It's not real soft at all. It's a pretty color. It's called medium brown. I think everybody got medium brown, but I could be wrong, so please don't quote me. And then of course it has the brush. Okay, so I got to keep that since I swiped it on my hand. All right, so that's those things. Put all these back, except my context cream. Okay, and my serum, Sunday Riley serum. Okay, because what I'm going to do now, it's 10 minutes, so I'm going to pass this on to you. Start a new video where I'm going to put this on, and see you in a minute. Stay tuned.